family. One big dream, New York City. But their tickets, someone is pulling them. There's a suitcase, someone packed only toys. There are shoes by the door, someone is wearing Papa's shoes. There's a taxi waiting. There's a juice cup and a very clean taxi. Not for long. The driver is not happy. The airport is big. The ropes are low. The officer's cap is sitting right there, just sitting there, waiting. The plane is ready. The buttons are many. Sarah is trying her best. Chikku has one question. Can he jump out? New York is waiting. Central Park is waiting. But will the family make it? Will Chikku survive the journey? Will Sarah ever recover? Will the officer get his cap back? Zero rules. 100% Chikku. Watch and find out.
Papa, please wake up now! Yeah.
Just 5 more minutes, please.
We are going today, Papa!
Okay, I am up.
Breakfast is almost ready now.
Mama, can I eat this?
Wait, we eat together always.
Okay, Mama, I will wait!
I have our flight tickets.
Oh, wow, this is amazing!
We fly to New York.
Kids will be so surprised.
Look what I found here!
Chikku, that is not yours! Give that back to Papa!
No, it is mine! Papa, what is New York?
It is a big city.
Is it very far away?
We will fly there today.
I am packing my bag. My car goes in first. Dino goes in too. No clothes, only toys.
Put your dress in here.
Mama, this one or that?
Take both, we need them.
Okay, Mama, I will pack.
Where are my shoes now?
I am wearing them, Papa.
Those are too big, Chikku.
I like big shoes, Papa.
Did you pack everything, Lisa?
Yes, all bags are packed.
Clothes and shoes are ready?
I have all 4 passports.
I am so very ready. Me too, yes. Chikku, do not forget bag. I have it right here.
Okay, everyone, we are ready.
Wait, did we lock windows?
Yes, I locked them already.
Good, now let us go.
Papa Taxi is here now.
Yes, I can see it.
I will go in first.
Wait, Chikku, stop there. This bag is so heavy.
Just put it in there.
What did you pack, Lisa?
We need all of it.
I want front seat, Papa.
No sitting back, Chikku.
But front is so fun.
Back seat is safer, Chikku. Good morning, where to go? Please take us to airport. Okay, I know the way. Thank you so much, Leo.
Are we going very far? I can see big roads.
Leo uncle, drive faster, please.
Chikku, do not say that. Put your seatbelt on now.
Okay, Mama, I'm trying.
It keeps us all safe.
It clicked, I did it. Leo uncle, your hat nice.
Oh no, please sit down.
Can I wear it, please?
Keep your hands to yourself.
Papa, are we there yet?
We are almost there, Nivi.
How many more minutes, Papa?
Just 10 more minutes, okay?
Chikku, hold your juice carefully.
Okay, Mama, I will try.
Do not spill it, please.
Oops, it all spilled out.
Oh no, what happened back? Is everything okay there? Sorry, Leo, so very sorry. Chikku spilled his juice.
We are here at last. Yay, the airport is huge.
Thank you so much, Leo. Have a safe trip, friends.
May I have your attention, please? This is a final boarding call for Japan Airlines Flight 60.
Wow, this place is huge.
Yes, this is the airport.
So many people are here.
Stay close to me, Nivi.
Chikku, do not run, please. This is a big airport. I will tell Mama now. I will tell Papa too.
Where is the check-in counter?
Follow the signs up there.
I see it over that way.
Good, let us go now.
We must wait in line.
Okay, Mama, I will wait.
Where is Chikku now?
Mama, Chikku went under rope.
Here are 4 passports.
Thank you, sir. One moment.
We have a 10 o'clock flight.
Yes, sir. All looks good.
This is your boarding pass.
What is a boarding pass?
It lets you get on the plane.
Oh, I will hold it safe.
Put this bag on belt.
It is so very heavy.
I have it, do not worry.
Wait, where is Chikku going? Walk through the gate now.
Mama, will it make noise?
Only if you have metal.
Okay, Mama, I am ready. I have the big cap.
Hey, that is my cap.
It fits me so well.
Come back here right now.
Chikku, give it back now.
No, it is mine.
It is not yours, Chikku.
Okay, take it.
Sorry, officer, so very sorry. Please control your son, sir. He is only 2 years old. He is funny, I forgive.
Sorry, Officer George.
It is okay, little one.
You are my best friend.
You made my day, boy.
Wow, we are inside plane.
Yes, sit down now, Nivi.
It has a small screen.
You can watch movies here.
Our seat is this way.
No, Mama, it is there.
Chikku, come with me now.
Okay, I am coming.
Look at those white clouds.
I want to touch them.
We are so very high.
Clouds look like soft cotton.
Please fasten your seatbelts now.
Fasten your seatbelt right now.
Okay, Papa, I am trying.
Click it in like this.
Yes, Papa, it clicked now.
Where is the exit door?
Mama, I know it is there.
Chikku, that is the toilet.
Oh, same thing, no, Mama?
Exit doors are located here. Keep your trays up, please. Thank you and enjoy flight. Welcome to your flight today. Thank you so much, Sarah. Do you need anything, ma'am? We are all good, thanks.
So many buttons here, wow!
Oh no, please stop now!
This one makes light flash.
Do not press that button.
Papa, we are moving fast.
Yes, we are taking off.
Papa, I feel so funny.
That feeling means we fly.
Hold your juice right now.
It is shaking so much.
Do not let it spill, please.
I am holding it so tight.
New York has very tall buildings.
Taller than our house, Mama?
Much, much taller than that.
I want to touch the top.
We are landing in New York.
I can see buildings down there.
We made it as a family.
New York looks so amazing, Papa.
Chikku, we must go now.
No, I love this plane.
We have to leave, Chikku.
Bye-bye, my lovely